Hi guys, my name is Jude or Juchaka. Today I'll be taking you through the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get to it. Alright, so on my window, my icon is not on the desktop. Some of you have yours on desktop, so mine is not on desktop. So I'll just click on my start menu and then look for Adobe Premiere Pro. Mine is here. Okay, so I just hit once and it opens. If it is on desktop, you double click it to open. Okay, so we are waiting for my software to open. Yes, voila, my software is in. Okay, so now when you open or you install this Adobe software as new, or you don't see any names written already, so now you only see new project, open project, home in the middle, right? Okay, now as a beginner you have to go to what new project, because you are coming to create a new project. Okay, so we click on new project because we want to do a new stuff, we want to create something new, right? Okay, so we go to new project. All right, here then you give it a name, the name of the project you want to do. Okay, so let's say I want to do something like motion, so I give it a name, motion, right? Now we have video display format, and normally I leave it on time code. And then we have audio display format, I leave it on samples. And we have capture. Normally when the software is new and you open it, it will be on DV, so I change it to high definition, right? Okay, and then color management, I leave everything as it is, that's the default. Okay, we have the scratch disk, we have ingest settings, I leave all these things just like that. Okay, and then ingest, I leave everything like that. Okay, after you are done with all this, browse, you can see browse here. The browse is a place that you can choose or tell the computer or the system that this is where I want to save my files. Okay, but I'm leaving it on default, so definitely this will be on drive C. Yes, on drive C. Alright, so after all that, just do OK or click on OK. So I'm still waiting for the real interface of the Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so as you can see, this is the interface of the Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, so we have some of the options are up here, which is our menu. You see file, edit, clip, sequence, markers, graphics, view, windows, help, etc. Right, now we have home. You can see home here. We have source, and here is called the source monitor. Here is called the source monitor. We have lumetri scope, we have effect control, test, audio clips, etc. So now if you want to know the name of these icons around and the tools, anything that is here that looks like an icon, alright, what do? Just put your cursor on top of it, you will see the name. If it will give you the name if you don't know the name. So this one is add marker. The short form of it is, the shortcut form of it on the keyboard is M, and this one is what mark in, and the shortcut is I, mark out, and all of them have the shortcut keys, so when you are watching the name, make sure you also watch the shortcut key. All right, so that when you are editing, it will be fast for you, because you can just click on the shortcut key and you get what you want. All right, so here it's called the source panel. Here it's called the source panel. It's called this project. It's not the source, this is the source monitor, and here is the project panel. All right, and we have the browse panel, library, etc. And the arrow here, okay, when you click on this arrow, you see all the names of the panels that you can see on the project panel. You can change it. All right, so if I click on effects, it will change to effect panel for me. All right, okay, so now that is it. We have the names that you can see, the things that you can see on this particular panel. All right, you see the panel is being highlighted. It's being highlighted with a blue margin. All right, okay, so here we have our timeline, and then into bracket no sequence. All right, so the sequence is arranging your clips, in a sequence form. All right, now here you see this is timeline display setting. I told you that whatever you want to see or whatever you want to know about whatever icon is there, just put the cursor over there. You see the name, you can see the name is showing up. All right, so here this is our timeline. When there's no video, there's no clip, so drop media here to create sequence. All right, and here is our tool. The tools we have selection tool, the shortcut is V, and we have the track select forward to, the shortcut is A, and ripple edit, the shortcut is B, and razor is C, slip tool Y, pen tool P, hand tool H, type tool T. All right, and here is called the program monitor. It's called the program monitor. All right, and it's also having the same play, pause, marking, mark out as the source monitor. Okay, and here is our essential graphics, our essential graphic panel, where you can see the text whatsoever it is. You can use it, just drag, click here, drag and drop on your timeline, and you edit it. All right, so you see the edit here, the browse. Okay, all right, we have more things here you can know. All right, so if you click on the, let's say, the effect panel here, you drag, you are opening that particular panel more. Okay, you click, hold and drag, you are opening it more. You close it, you are minimizing it. All right, so when you open it more, you see more options at the up here. All right, so that's it. And this one too, you can hold, drag. This is what you can do. All right, the borderline between the project panel and the timeline panel, and then the tools, and also the monitors. All right, so here we are on graphics. You can click on edit here. You can see the edit. So when you click on edit, you see the settings of the settings of the whole interface changes. You see, first our tools are here, and now the tools are here. Okay, so take note of that. All right, so I think I'll stop here and continue with the next video, where we will import our clips and start cutting. Okay, thank you for watching.